Today, here's a couple of examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and the white is the reflection of the light. This is quite a nice piece. Colour continues on up here, so you possibly end up with quite a larger stone. Of course, there's no guarantee how far that goes, I can't see. And as you can see here, it gets thinner over this side. The other piece is a little blue stripy piece. Caramel potch down this side. This little bit of stone here looks like it will grind off. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.